Hello everybody, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is with you. Welcome to my channel. For those who don't know, I'm the Secret Yorkshire Cook. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and hello for the first time if you're new around here. So today's tutorial is Herbed Pork Loins. So as usual guys, all of the ingredients you need are on the right hand side of the screen. If you need more time, please do pause this. And just before we jump into this video, please do drop a like and comment below if you enjoy it. Maybe comment something that you'd want me to cook. As well, if you would, please do consider subscribing. It really does help my channel out. If you made it to here guys, thank you very much for watching. This was a really fun and tasty meal to make. I really enjoyed it. It goes great with a salad, some homemade potato salad as well. That video is coming next week. Thank you very much for watching. Please do consider subscribing, and as always guys, stay safe and keep cooking.